Today, the Bureau of Labor Statistics released a report on Maryland's employment situation in October. Last month, Maryland gained 10,700 total non-farm jobs. Over the past 3 months, Maryland has gained 27,400 total jobs, the largest 3-month job gain in Maryland since 2010. However, year-to-date job gains are a more modest 11,900 jobs, which is closer to the average rate of growth in Maryland over recent years. Maryland's unemployment rate decreased this month to 3.6%, in line with the national unemployment rate. This month, RESI hosted the annual Economic Outlook Forum at Towson University. After forecasting the future of Maryland's economy, RESI presented findings on policy briefs based on issues affecting the region. Our first policy brief focuses on public education. We asked, what would it mean if Maryland's high school graduation rate was the best in the country? Each new high school graduate in Maryland would boost their lifetime earnings by an average of over $1.8 million. The future class of 2021 would earn an additional $4.4 billion in lifetime earnings across 2,432 new graduates. Further, our research found that annual earnings for all new high school graduates would exceed $1.4 billion in 2040, while overall state income would increase by nearly $2.5 billion in that year. Our second policy brief examines the Summer SNAP program. During school breaks, over 200,000 children lose access to free or reduced price meals. To help alleviate the spike in food insecurity, RESI asked, what would be the economic impact of increasing state funding for Summer SNAP from $200,000 to $2 million? We estimated that every dollar allocated to Summer SNAP leads to $1.18 in economic output. Compared to other uses of that funding, every dollar spent on Summer SNAP supports 13% more jobs, 11% more wages, and 4% more tax revenue. Additionally, it also improves education and health outcomes for Maryland's children. Our third policy brief examines transportation in Baltimore City. In some neighborhoods in the city, 80% of households lack access to a car, making other forms of transportation essential. RESI compared the number of jobs commuters could access by bike and by public transportation across the Baltimore metro area. We found that biking provides the most advantages relative to public transportation in the inner ring of neighborhoods in between downtown and the Baltimore City-County line. These neighborhoods include some of the areas where car ownership is the lowest and where infrastructure improvements could lead to increases in flexibility and job access for residents. A continued focus on the Complete Streets Ordinance and Baltimore's Bike Master Plan should especially consider the needs of these areas of the city. For a more in-depth look at these issues and RESI's research, please visit www.Towson.edu/RESI, where you can download our full policy briefs. Additionally, please register for our upcoming webinars to learn more about our research on education and transportation.